Hi, this is Reverend Amanda again with UniverSoulLight Consulting. I am going to pick up on numerology. I left off with teaching you what numerology was about in the first video, and then I covered how to figure out the number for the day on the calendar for the universal number, and then what the first number, which was number 1, what that meant, the keywords that would go along with it, the colors. The only thing I didn't cover with that was that 1 is fire energy, just because it matched along with the energy of the sun, but I wanted to give you that too. Now, as we run into different cards, when we get through the tarot deck, things will switch up a little bit here and there, but as far as 1 through 9, which is the basics that we're covering in these beginning videos, I'm going to give you the basic information that's associated with them so that you know how to work with them and you can work in flow with what the universal energy is presenting to us through our calendar. Now, there's all different topics on the actual calendar, how it relates, what it actually means, etc., etc. I know, believe me, I've done the history, the research, the trying to figure out what the actual correct date is, but for lack of confusion and for those who are not even on that platform yet, we are just going to go by our Roman calendar that we are associated with and dealing with on a regular basis. Things change with the season, things change with other energies, things change with different mindsets and understanding of how the flow of our natural universal calendar works from day 1, if we can even establish when a day 1 was created, but we're going to go by the actual calendar. I said Roman calendar, but I mean Gregorian calendar. It is still one and the same. It was still created by the Roman Empire, and that's what we've kind of kept with since then. So we're going to go based off of the calculations that we are in year 2025, and I started with the number 1. That happened to be the date I picked was June 4th of 2025. So I'm just going to continue on in order just so that you can see how things kind of build up going from 1 through 9. So I'm going to start with the energy of June 5th.